Here's his new bumper. So we have to cut this piece out. I already have a template and everything, but we have to cut it out so it can fit his charge speed fenders because they poke out more. And then we have a little bracket piece that goes over that. So we're about to just use a Dremel right now. And then his whip is over there. We're gonna test fit and everything, make sure everything works properly. And if you're wondering, I got the old bumper, the old Varis one, so I'm gonna try to repair it and get that on the Evo, and we'll see how that goes. And if it repairs properly like how I wanted to, then I'm gonna try to wrap it and throw it on the car. Real quick though, just look how good the Evo looks right now. Damn! Just imagine with the Varis bumper on. Oh my goodness. Alright, so what we did was measure his fender and made this template of what we need to cut off now. So we went ahead and measured up on both sides, made that made the line that we're gonna cut. And then this piece is the one that's actually gonna come over it. I'm dropping stuff. This piece is gonna come over it, I believe. Yeah. I think this is the right side, like that. So we follow that body line, so it looks like this. Alright, let's get it. Alright, that's how we're looking right now. So the cuts we made were good. It's enough to clear this piece on the fender like I was talking about. Now we're just gonna find the where that little piece, the little bracket comes in. That's gonna screw into here and then somewhere into the bumper. And then off his old one, we still need to grab the bracket and that little rubber piece that comes along here. That's why there's a gap there. But yeah, the cuts we made were good. So now we just gotta find out where the brackets line up so we can drill the hole into the bumper. Alright, so we made the holes. We already got in this side over here, the bracket that we were talking about. Don't worry about that. When we take it to the blocks, it'll level out. But slowly coming together. Let's knock out this side. Alright, here it is, all the way on. Like I said, that gap is because we don't have the bracket and the rubber piece. Looks straight. This side, once we get because right now it just held on zip ties. But once we get the thing, it should fix this and fit properly. But this is how it looks so far, and looks pretty good. Alright guys, so this is the Varis bumper, his old one that we got, that we're gonna try to fix and put on our car and the Rakuji. Alright, so as you can see, right here it's cracked. And also, as well as this big area, he had he rear-ended a truck that had a little pickup thing on it, and it just hit it right there. So it is cracked, also right there and there. So what I'm gonna try to do is just basically Dremel through all the cracks, clean them up, try to re-fiberglass it, and then Bondo over it, sand it down. Repaint the grill part, and then I'm gonna try to wrap the rest of it myself. Luckily the carbon lip is still good, and if you're wondering, yes, it is authentic. Alright, the next day we got the bracketing, and now the fitment is looking cherry. No fitment issues. Be good. It's called debadging. Gosh. It's gone. Oh, you want to show him your bumper?
Let's go. Let's show him.
We skip it automatically.
Go
Color match. Okay.
Color match. There's boys. Yo. Bro, you're ruining the vlog.
Yeah, man. Gosh.
Hey.
It was sexy.
Cars and coffee. Oh wait, what is this? Cars and cameras? Cars and cameras. Wow. Look at his bumper. All blue.
Swear on. The wheels are clean on it. I ain't
Yeah.
gonna-
McLaren. What is these? Morning everyone, so right now we're actually on the way to LA to go pick up another car. So it is an Evo and it's blue, has TEs on it already. It's super clean, so we're literally on the way to go check it out right now. So I'm so excited to show you guys. It's a 2015 final edition, so I think it's like number 1000 something, super clean. So let's go ahead and see what it looks like when we get there. Damn, Barnyard Evo. Well, this is it. I'm about to buy this Barnyard Evo right now. No, guys, this is actually Tony's car, but it is abandoned, as you can tell. Poor Evo. RIP. We're actually just trading taillights, so I'm gonna get the Work Hustle Kill ones, and he's gonna get the Varis ones. I like the Varis, it's just that it's just too much red. Don't look at this. We're gonna fix that. It broke, okay? Alright, so feeding all these wires suck. So what I did was just cut a line all the way through here. Shout out Tony. He said just cut a line through here. And that way it just helps it easier to feed in, because without so, it's gonna be so hard trying to feed this all the way through and underneath. I'm in the comfort of my own seat. Oh look, Tony is going. Alright, goodbye Varis, and we got Work Hustle Kill. Two hours to get home, but today was a good day. We ended up getting the taillights off of Tony's Evo. I tried my best to get the TEs, but he would not let them go, even though they're just sitting there collecting so much dust. It's alright, we're gonna get them eventually. But yeah, we had a good time at his baby shower. It was really fun. So you know, congrats to Tony. We're happy for him, about to be an uncle out here, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, Not looking forward to this 2-hour drive back all the way to SD. But at least we got some taillights, you know. So, until next time.